Okay, so today we just finished the gardening, and I'm so impressed with one of the dad that take the kid go to help the school with the gardening, and I just feel so incredible. I saw him take the kid calm, and then I say, okay, everyone go with zone 4, and he put his hand up and come to help with the lemongrass today. So the boy's a little bit shy and he does not want to do, but the dad say, go do it boys, go do it boys. And I take the tool and give it to him and say, do it, don't worry, just do it. And then after that, I make a conversation with the dad. I say, wow, you did amazing. And I share the story with him that how I actually build confidence for my kid, like I did exactly what he did. So sometimes kids, they really don't know what to do, okay? Because for me, like I say, beginning, I want to join the gardening because I want to have quality time with my kids. But also, I really want to help them to build their confidence. I remember the first few weeks I joined the garden and I go and I see my kid, they literally did not know what to do. So they just step behind, everyone join and do, but they just not do anything. They just scared to ask, scared to talk and not do anything. And when I say that, I look at them and I say, okay, what happened? Why my kid not do anything? So I see that and I say, okay, they not confident. Now, my job, I need to help them to build confidence. So after that, what I did, I make them go and then I stay behind them and I give them a push a little bit. Okay, go do it, baby. Here's the tool. I pick up the tool and I give it to him and I say, okay, do it. Like, show, look at mommy, how mommy do it. Just do it, baby. And then after that, we go home. I praise them. I say, well done, boys. You do such an amazing thing. Now, what you need to do next? So, which means praise them and then tell them. And then after that, next week, push more. To make them feel that actually someone support them, someone recognize that they are do something good and things like that. So I keep doing it. And now, literally, they come in and now they know what to do. And sometimes they can write order and they build confidence. So confidence is build a little bit each day. It's like how to build a muscle, right? Have to do a little bit each day. It's not like just build in a day. No. So that's why the message for the parents, if your kids not confident with what they doing, not confident in talking, not confident to step up or say something or do something, then just number one, create an opportunity, make them do it. Second, just give them a push, just say do it, make them do it. And number three, that give them some prize, acknowledge that, praise them, say well done, you did amazing, now do it more, give them more. But also sometimes they don't know what next. We have to guide them, tell them, okay, now you did that, now tomorrow we do something else. And they say, oh, sometimes they don't do things is because they don't know how to. So I often give them clear instruction what to do. Like for example, today, my goal is that to help help the ambassador, what do you call? Ambassador at the school, that to be better at the leader. So my son is one of in the group, and I see that how much they struggle, including my son. He did not know what to do. He did not know about the position. He did not know the responsibility. So what I did, so today I talked with the girl. And I say, okay, now we are going to do this, but Let me show you. If I was you, I would do like this. The first, because I help her to lead a little kid. Okay. So the first, a little kid, their attention and their absorbing it very short. We cannot do like long. So step number 1, because this girl already did last week, and I tell her like just say like 3 things. It's very simple. First, you say what is the goals. Today the goals, we are going to complete about 3 pots of lemongrass. Okay, that's tell the goals. Number 2, that the step number 1, we get the soil, put in a pot. Number 1. Step number 2, put the lemongrass in. And step number 3, water. So that is the step what to do. Now the next step I guide the girl to do is she needs to, at the end of we done with all of that, I remind the girl now what we need to do. We need to have the checklist that okay, what the goal did we achieve the goal? Yes, we finished that. What next? Look at the tool order. We finished that. Tidy up the tool. Now look at the tool. Make sure call all the kid, pick up the tool, put it away. Then lastly, we give them some prize next week. Announce them. Last week, some of them do really well, and we are planning to give them some prize, like some sticker or something, so make them feel excited and really want to motivate them and want to do more. So that's my goals, want to help, because honestly I see how much my kids struggling with leadership or thing like that, and I feel that because I got the knowledge. But here's the thing, because my kid, I never thought that to build a leadership for them until until he showed that he want to do it. And now, but I see that he did not know, and even all the ambassador inside, they even not know what to do. So today we say, okay, so the girl will suggest create a group chat, put all of them in, and we are going to talk about that, discuss each day. And that is, we don't know what we don't know. We do and learn. So if you are parents or whoever watching this, and you have something that hold you back, and you say, I can't do it, and you wait until everything perfect, nothing perfect. Like for me, when I see what they do, what is missing, then I just help them on the way. So that's why I think that as the message for everyone, if you have an idea, if you have something you need to do it, just take the first step. Like for me, I want to help my kids get more time with my kids. I join the gardening. Then after that, I see my kid not confident. I help them to build confidence. After I build their confidence, and I want to help more for them to know what to do. Now, the next step to build their leadership, like know what to do, good planning, and do something like that. And now, in the meantime, I help my kid, and I see another kid struggling. I am going to help the kids, another team member with ambassador, to get better with their leadership as well. So you see, at the beginning, I never thought that I'm going to help my kid to build leadership. No. I just have to start at somewhere first. Now, after a while, I will have more clearly what I need to do. So if you are a hairstylist, if you are a leader, and you have to start somewhere first, and then you have more clear what to do next. So that's my lesson today. So to share everyone, if you listen this, and if you have any thought, just comment below and let me know. And I would like to hear what your thought. Thank you. Bye for now.